What is up, my fitness family? Well, guess what? Do you guys have chest fat? Are you trying to get rid of it? Well, I got the cure for you. I have a beginner chest workout done in less than 10 minutes for no more chest fat. All right, so just stay with me. I'm gonna run through 9 exercises that you can do real fast to attack that problem right now and get rid of them man boobs. All right, my name is Brent, Kasmer. This is BKPT. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Mash that notification bell because I'm gonna teach you the fastest, most efficient ways to do everything. From working out to eating right to prepping to all of that stuff and mindset and more. But guess what? We got the less than 10-minute workout for getting rid of chest fat. Let's go. All right. So we're gonna start off with chest flies. All right, we're gonna do 10 chest flies. We're gonna use a resistance band. So if you're stuck at home or if you're at the gym, we're just using a resistance band to get a good squeeze on that chest to get those pec majors firing, okay? So your goal is to stay nice and tall. You want this level with you. So get down to whatever you hook this onto, so that way it is level with you and you're just getting a good squeeze. We're gonna do 10 repetitions, and with the resistance band, you can just add pressure by walking out a little further. So if this machine starts chasing behind me, let me know. All right. We're gonna do 10 reps right here on the chest flies, just trying to get your mindset, to get your mind focused on the chest muscles, all right? Then you're gonna go right into a dumbbell press. So we're going into a dumbbell bench press. So bopping down, laying down. You're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna do 5 reps. So nice and slow, good control. Same thing, because part of it is mentally just feeling the muscles engage. Once you learn how to activate those muscles, you're gonna get much more out of every single workout you do. We're gonna go boom, boom. So chest flies, 10, chest press, 5, and right into cable rows. And you do this just to train your body to keep your shoulders back and down. Why do you want your shoulders back and down? Back and down. You want them back and down because it helps you to engage your chest muscles. So if you're up here, all up into your traps and forward, you're focusing on the front part of your shoulders opposed to your actual pec majors, which we're trying to hit right now. So bringing this up, you're gonna do 3 sets, 10 reps each on this exercise, just getting a good squeeze on that chest. Remember what I said? This is just to show it where it's going, where that blood flow is going, and activating those muscles so your central nervous system knows what's working. You don't want to fatigue it too much. You just want to get a good squeeze. This is not a max out exercise. That's where people go wrong with doing chest flies. So, can you do them on the bench? Using dumbbells? Yes, you want to use whatever it is that you feel the most. So good control. 1 more. All right. So 1 more round. We're gonna do cable rows. 20 reps. I know you're chomping at your bit, going, what's gonna be the second round of exercises? Getting rid of that chest fat. Guess what? You gotta go through this 1 more time with me to get to that next set. Right back to this. So this is that chest fly. Just gonna kind of show you some distance. So all the bands have different strengths to them. So make sure you're getting one that's suitable for you. Doesn't matter which foot's forward. No. Just making sure your chest is tall. And make sure you're really engaging those pec majors. Okay, 10 of them. Back to your presses. Remember, we're focusing on the chest, the pecs, getting rid of that chest fat, those man boobs. Man boobs gone forever. Last set of 20 here. Keeping those shoulders back and down. Squeezing your back. Just pumping it back there. All right. Now we're going to go into the second circuit. So second circuit, we're going to be doing pullovers. So pullovers, we're going to be using a bench. I have chest dips. I have 2 different bars set up. So that way you guys can see exactly the 2 different types of bars we'll use. So pullovers, you're gonna lay sideways on a bench. All right, because I feel like you get the best range of motion when doing this. So everybody's got a preference, just like I was telling you with the chest flies. So make sure your head and neck is supported. Holding this up, I'm using that diamond grip and just stretching back and pulling over. So this one's up underneath the bottom of the chest, all the way into your armpits, which is called your serratus muscles. It's not a tricep exercise. Make sure you're getting a good stretch, opening those shoulders up, pulling from your lats all the way to the bottom of your chest, really rounding that chest up, okay? The next thing you want to do, so this is a little bit more of a narrow chest dip bar. The biggest thing with chest dips, you want to make sure you're using your core, holding your feet backwards. Okay, so putting your feet up on something so that way you can get a good lean. So as you can see right here, I have my feet actually resting on this pad here, and it's just giving me that angle to really focus on the bottom of my chest. All right, so we're gonna do 10 to 12 of those, but what I really do prefer, I don't know if you guys can see this bar or not, but it's about a 36-inch distance, anywhere between like 36 to 42 inches across, so you're getting a nice and wide dip. So I special ordered this one, but you do that so you can get a nice wide dip, really stretching that chest out, so that way you can get a good stretch and contraction on that chest muscle. So 10 to 12 of these. Sorry, it's gonna take a little bit longer just because I was explaining it to you guys. But same thing. Make sure you get nice and deep, good control. Do what your shoulders allow. Don't force anything, all right? And we're gonna go right from there to sit-ups. So just having a mat on the floor. This is just to give your chest a split-second break, right to go back into it so it can give you more energy, more power. Right there, 15 sit-ups, right back to your pullovers. A little different angle, other side. So head and neck resting on the bench. You just want to make sure your head's supported so that way you don't hurt your neck. Stretching back, core is tight, 10 repetitions. So always a real good exercise to do with cables or even a barbell as well. Just showing you right now with dumbbell. One more. 10. Good. All right, right to your chest dips. So chest dips, leaning back. Nice. And then right to sit-ups. Same thing, 3 rounds. Right back to our pullovers. So this is what's nice about these workouts is you need to have them nice and compacted when you're working out, so that way you can get some good time just right back and forth. Good. Right back to those dips. Truly trying to focus on that blood flow underneath the bottom of your chest. So you're really trying to focus on that, thinking about it, so that way you can really activate it to get rid of that fat. Okay? So sit-ups. And 15. All right, I know. This is the moment you've all been waiting for. So this is most people's most stubborn part, is the upper part of the chest. This is what lifts the chest up, gives it that nice full feel, yeah, if you're feeling up your chest. So we're gonna do these in single hand motions. So it's here, and you're just gonna come right across the front of your body like this. And you can see the upper part of my chest popping up. That's what you want to feel. So this is what you guys use that mirror for, is to make sure you're activating those muscles right there, especially as a newbie. See, the palms are facing up and just feeling that upper part of your chest lifting up. All right, right to our dumbbell incline press. Picking them up, pop them on your knees. We're gonna flip them up to our shoulders. Pop, pop. All right. Good control, and you want to feel that upper part of your chest. That's why you just activated it, just like we did with the chest flies at the beginning. It's fatiguing, I know it is. You guys are doing great. Just burning it out. Right back to our cable rows. Like I said, this is here to make sure you guys keep your shoulder blades pulled back. We're just doing 2 sets. Remember, like I said, this is less than 10 minutes, but the best part is we're just getting rid of that stubborn chest fat. Bye-bye. All right, so incline fly, 10 reps again, feeling that chest, watching it in the mirror until you are able to feel it. Not swinging. 8, controlling. One more. 10. All right, last set here in the incline dumbbell press. So we want failure, at least getting 8 reps. Whenever you're going through that first workout, it's more of a try to see where you're at with the weight of the dumbbells, making notes. That way, next time, you don't waste any time. But they're burnt out now. Right to the cable rows, this is it. The finale. Woo! Well. No more chest fat. Well, guess what, guys? If you were looking for that beginner chest workout in under 10 minutes to get rid of that chest fat, you got to the right place. So, like I said, this is Brent Kasmer, BKPT, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, mash that notification bell. Let me know in the comments how much this is helping you, and if there's any other information that you need, feel free, reach out, comment below. Other stubborn body parts that you have that you need help with, so that way you feel good, look good, confident, and crushing it out there, all right? Brent Kasmer, signing out. See you in the next video.